Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick, easy and lip-smacking appetizer. It's got loads of cheese in it and it's chicken cheese fingers. I've got 250 grams of boneless chicken breast pieces which I've just cut up into cubes and I'm going to grind in the blender. The reason why I've cut it up is because it just minces far more easily in the blender. You should ideally avoid using minced chicken in this recipe because you are not really mincing it very fine. That's it, just a quick blend and you'll see the texture now. Time to add loads of flavor to this, the first of which is going to be some black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin powder, again 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. If you want to use fresh, finely minced garlic, then use about 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. And about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of that in. You know what? I'm just going to mix it with my hand. It's just easier that way. Now all of that is mixed in really well, so I'm going to add the star of this dish, 1 cup of processed cheese that's been grated. Mix this in batches. It's easier to mix it in that way. Everything is mixed in really well together, so I'm just going to divide this up into about 12 portions and then start shaping this into fingers. Now that I've portioned these out, I'm just going to shape these into fingers. Just make sure that when you're shaping these, there are no cracks or they're not broken in any spots, because that will be a bit of a problem when you're frying these off. That's it. Now I'm going to start coating each of these chicken fingers. Just before that, I've got 1 cup of flour here. I'm going to add a tiny pinch of salt to the breadcrumbs, which will form the final coating of the chicken fingers, and a tiny pinch of black pepper as well. The reason we do this is because the breadcrumbs otherwise can end up being a little tasteless. So just a little bit of flavor, very little, and just mix that into the breadcrumbs. Time to start coating these. The first layer is of the all-purpose flour. This is plain maida. Just dust off all the excess. Dunk it right into 2 eggs that have been whisked. And once that is nicely coated, it gets a final layer of breadcrumbs. Just place it on a platter and continue with the rest of the chicken fingers. That's it. The last one is nicely coated. Now I'm going to set these aside in the fridge for at least an hour before I fry these off. The reason I do that is because otherwise the coating just forms a layer which comes off and peels off, and we don't really want that. So this we'll get back to frying in 1 hour's time. The cheesy chicken fingers have been resting in the refrigerator for 1 hour and now it's time to fry them off. I've got oil heating up here on a medium flame and I'm just going to drop these off and fry them. Once these turn slightly golden on one side, just flip them over very gently so that they cook evenly on the other side as well. Just keep turning them over in the oil till they get a nice and even golden brown color. These two are ready to pull out. And I'm just going to leave it here on a paper towel to drain. And the last batch of these cheesy chicken fingers is done. Again, I'm just going to leave them on the paper towel to drain. What a beautiful golden color. If you're looking for a party starter of a recipe or just want to make something really nice and comforting for yourself, these chicken cheesy fingers are it. So I hope you try this recipe and subscribe to get curried for loads more.